Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox MI trimmer. It cost me 1199. You can get it also on 1099 any discount price. So here's the package. I have already unboxed this, but right now we are going to unbox it one more time. This is the package, and you will open it. This is the box of MI trimmer. It has 40 different lens setting, 90 minutes of cordless use, and self-sharpening blade. In this complete package we will get 5 different things. Let's unbox it. This is the look of the box. You can see. Okay, let's unbox it. Very cool box. User manual is here. Different beard styles is given with different settings, lens settings. This is the first thing. This is the box. Here is our brand new MI trimmer. Let's see. It has LED notification. I will say notification for the use. If you will turn it on, the lights will blow. You can turn this off also. Okay, so this is the different lens settings. You can see. And here it works. It's working very smoothly. Working is very smooth. Extra noise is there, but it looks very good. This is brand new power trimmer. Let's see what other things are here. All things are locked. This is the other way. This is a travel pouch given here. You can use for your traveling purpose. You can put it your trimmer and all these stuffs and go somewhere where you want. This is for charging. The comb is stuck here. One extra comb is here. The I will call it as a self-hanging cord. One comb is here. One extra setting cord is there, and this is the charging port. Power cable. Additional adapter is not given here, but it is all looks very good because the quality of the trimmer is very good. You will see. I'm sure when you will use it, it will perform very well. Let's see the charging. Let's charge it. I'm using it on my MI charger adapter. This is the only one. This is the only one I got 90 minutes cordless use time as compared with the other trimmers. Let's try to charge. And here it go. You will see the LED notification here when you will charge it. This is very good. This is at level 2. 3 levels of notification are given here. This is not a notification light. This is for setting this on. So here you can use it. The look is very awesome when you will buy it. Traveling pouch is also given. My extra comb is there. The cleaning comb is also given here to clean this. And the price is just 1199 without any discount applied. So the manual is just for your use. You can buy it. It's worth of it. Okay, so this is the unboxing video of MI trimmer. Thanks for watching. Bye.